Shocking dash cam video capturing the moment a massive crane came crashing down right in the middle of one of Seattle's busiest intersections, killing 4 people. Drivers watching in horror as more than 28,000 pounds of metal collapsed onto the road.
We have about 5 or 6 people entrapped. There are 4 vehicles that are underneath the crane.
The massive crane slicing through 2 buildings, one of them belonging to Google that was under construction.
This is my 30th year in the fire service, and I have never responded to an event like this.
Among the victims, Sarah Wong, a freshman at Seattle Pacific University studying nursing. Another, Travis Corbett, an experienced iron worker operating the crane's cab. His wife, heartbroken.
Words can't even describe what a good partner he was, because he was just so nice and so giving and so caring.
And Andrew Yoder, also an iron worker and a young father. The construction company that owns the crane says that workers were dismantling the structure right before it came down. At that same time, the National Weather Service says winds were gusting up to 23 miles per hour. As the investigation continues, a crowd of mourners gathers where the crane fell, hanging a flag for one of the victims, a former Marine.